Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been exploring the Go Skippy Car Insurance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations, so by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. The goal here is not just to say whether it is good or bad, but to help you decide if it actually fits the way you drive, the kind of car you own, and how much support you expect from an insurer. First, let's talk about what it offers. This policy gives UK drivers three main cover levels, from basic third-party to fully comprehensive, so you can match cover to the age and value of your car. For example, if you have an older car with a lower market value, you might only want a simpler level of cover. But if you drive a newer or more expensive vehicle, fully comprehensive cover may give you more peace of mind. You can also bold on extras like legal expenses, personal injury cover, vehicle assist, hire cars, and several RAC breakdown options, including UK and EU cover. These add-ons can be useful if you want extra protection beyond the standard policy, especially if you drive often, travel long distances, or rely on your car every day for work, school runs, or family use. Everything is managed online, with a self-service portal for documents and changes, which fits how most drivers handle insurance in 2026. This is helpful because you can usually access your documents, check your policy, and make simple updates without waiting on the phone. You still have the option to call if you prefer speaking to an agent, which is important for people who are not comfortable managing everything online, or who need help with something more specific. Now let's talk about the benefits and pricing. The big selling point is price, with comprehensive cover advertised from £165 per year, based on recent 2025 premiums. Of course, your final quote can depend on your age, driving history, postcode, car type, mileage, and whether you add extras, so it is always worth comparing the final price rather than only looking at the headline number. Quotes are cheaper online, so budget-focused drivers can avoid extra phone admin fees. This makes it a better fit for people who are comfortable filling out the details themselves and checking everything carefully before they buy. You also get access to RAC-branded breakdown cover tiers, from basic roadside to full UK and EU, starting under £40 a year, which is competitive for regular motorway or European trips. This can be a strong benefit if you use your car for longer journeys, because breakdown cover is one of those things you may not think about until you really need it. Extras like legal cover, vehicle assist, and key or windscreen protection let you build something close to a premium package without going to a high-end brand. The useful tip here is to choose add-ons based on your real driving habits, not just because they sound good. If you rarely drive abroad, EU cover may not be necessary, but if you park on the street or drive a lot, key or windscreen protection might make more sense. Reviews mention an easy quote journey and simple online setup, which is reassuring if you hate long forms. That said, it's not perfect. There is a phone purchase admin fee of £20, which adds up if you don't buy online. Cancellation fees can sting too, especially once you are past the cooling-off period, so last-minute switchers may pay more than expected. This is why it is important to read the policy documents, check the cancellation terms, and make sure all your details are correct before the policy starts. Even small mistakes, like mileage, address, job title, or car usage, can cause problems later if they are not fixed early. Some recent customer feedback praises price, but criticizes customer service tone and the time it takes to correct simple policy errors, which matters when you need a quick change in 2026 busy road environment. Not every add-on is cheap either, so stacking too many extras can erode that low starting premium. In other words, the base price may look very attractive, but once you add breakdown cover, legal cover, hire car cover, and other protections, the final cost may be closer to other insurers. So before choosing it, compare the total package, not just the starting price. Overall, it looks attractive for price-conscious UK drivers who are comfortable managing cover online, but it suits organized motorists who rarely need hand-holding or frequent midterm changes. If you like low prices, online control, and flexible extras, Go Skippy could be worth checking out. But if you want premium customer service, very fast phone support, or expect to make lots of policy changes during the year, you may want to compare it carefully with other providers before deciding. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful.